Pippa's Cruise Vacation. Granny and Grandpa Pig are taking Pippa and George on a cruise. There are many ways to have fun on the cruise. Pippa and her family can play on the trampolines, swim in a splash pool, and more. But first, Pippa is ready to start her day with a big breakfast. At the Dinosaur Cafe row, everyone eat dinosaur breakfast, eggs with spots on them. They are delicious. Pirate Pet and Mrs. Mermaid are at the Dinosaur Cafe too. Ahoy, they're sailors, says Pirate Pete. Mrs. Mermaid invite everyone to their evening show. It will be so much fun. There is plenty of time to try other activities on the ship before the show. George really wants to ride the potato. George loves the ride so much, he doesn't want to try anything else. Toy too, George cheers again and again. The potato bounces back and forth. Pippa wants to play on the trampolines. Rohan Rhino is bouncing there too. Yippee! They say. Pippa and Rohan jump and squeal until they get another idea for a fun way to spend the day. Splash! Pippa and Rohan make waves at the slide into the mermaid splash pool. This is fun, Pippa says as she splashes Rohan. After a day of swimming, sliding, and splashing, Pippa can't believe it's already time for the big show. Everyone wears a costume for the show. It's fun to dress up. They take their seats and the show begins. Pirate Pete sails the seas looking for treasure, but he can't find it on his way on. Mrs. Mermaid says she can help. She has a magic box that will give you whatever you wish for. All it takes is the magic word, abracadabra. The crowd shout together. Puff, the cheese is filled with chocolate coins. Pirate Pete tosses them to the crowd for everyone to enjoy. But Mrs. Mermaid is nowhere to be found. Pippa knows just what to do. She joined Pirate Pete on the stage. Abracadabra, she said. And Mrs. Mermaid returned. Everyone claps and cheered. Thanks to Pippa's help, it was a very magical show. It has been a wonderful day. Pippa made new friends and tried new things. She even helped with the show. George and Granny and Grandpa Pig have a special day too, but there's still one more surprise before bedtime. Splash! That splash was much bigger than the one Pippa made in the mermaid splash pool. A friendly whale saying night-night to everyone. Ooh, night-night, Pippa and George go back to the whale. Tomorrow will be another fun-filled day at sea. Thank you kids for watching. Enjoy. Subscribe for more.